This is it. This is your blackened shrimp. Shrimp cooked with Chef Paul Prudhomme's seasonings, the zucchini spaghetti, sauteed down in the pan with the drippings from the shrimp, and then making a lemon butter sauce in the pan after the zucchinis come out. This is good stuff. Y'all need to eat this. Well, we've had about 15 minutes here for the butter to cool off, so we don't start cooking the shrimp, just putting it in the butter to coat it. So we're going to put the shrimp in the butter, coat them up some, put them over here in this plate, and we'll put some of the seasoning on top of them, and then we will get ready to cook them in the skillet here. And the spices will stick to the buttered shrimp very nicely. They're going to just really be well coated, and it'll hold on nicely when it goes to the pan. Right, and we'll flip these over, and we will put some spice on the other side, and then they'll be ready to cook. We'll throw them in the pan. The pan is heating up now. It's on about 3/4 heat, medium high, because we want these to hit there. We don't want to spend a whole lot of time in there. We want to get it done and get them out. You know what I mean? And that's a dozen shrimp for the first batch. Hit these guys with the Tony's. No, not Tony's. Chef Paul's. Excuse me. Don't roll over in your grave, buddy. Calling you Tony. This is Chef Paul's stuff. There we go. All right. This needs to warm up a little bit, and then we'll be ready to hit this. Them shrimp are going in there. They're going to be really nice. They're going to be delightful. I think they're ready. Oh yeah, here I'm rocking. All right, these guys are done. We're going to bring them out of here. We do not want to overcook our shrimp. They get right to that edge and they are there. Turn this down a little bit. We're going to bring the zucchini in and we'll start cooking the zucchini. And we're going to use the spices in the bottom of the pan to take care of the zucchini. All right, here we go. This will take about half of what we've got here. This will work just delightful. Oh my goodness, look how huge it is. It's crazy. Turn it up. I made some shrimp stock from the peelings off of the shrimp earlier. Used some celery and onion and garlic, and I boiled them down, simmered them for a little while, and made a really nice, very flavorful shrimp stock off of that. We're going to take this and put on top of our zucchini. That was a 4-ounce ladle. And that was about half full, so that was just 2 ounces, a couple ounces of shrimp stock on top of this. And that'll steam for a little while and help take that zucchini to where it needs to be. Right, there we are. The shrimp stock has deglazed the pan nicely, and all these spices are going to come up into the zucchini like that. We're going to dry this out on high. We're on high. We're cooking this down until it gets dry, because we also want this to be able to accept the lemon butter sauce that's going to be made with the juices that are in here now. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this down until we get the zucchini out. That'll work. There it is. Let's get this out here. There we go. Turn this up, cranking back up again, getting rolling. We've got a little bit of the stock in there. We're going to put just a little bit more stock in there, maybe an ounce or so of stock, just a little bit, not much. All right. Then we're going to open up this lemon. Get us some lemon in there. get the seeds out. And we'll there, we've gotten all the seeds out. And we'll put a little bit more of the shrimp stock in here. Just a little bit. There we go. That comes around like that. Excellent. Now we're going to get us some tabs of butter. Slowly incorporate the butter into the sauce. This is going to be delicious. This is going to be fantastic. Another tab of butter. And this is coming together nicely. Yes, indeed, this is going to be delicious. You're just going to love this stuff. Turn the fire down. We don't want it rocking and rolling and boiling. We don't want this thing to break apart. We want it to stay nicely emulsified and delicious. Let's get these out of the way. Take this over here. Throw the butter lemon sauce over the zucchini. This down. And then we will take our shrimp, place them around on our bed of zucchini, and this will be a delicious, tasty meal. Yum. Doesn't get much better than that. That is some good stuff, guys. Alright guys, this is it. This is it. This is your blackened shrimp. Shrimp cooked with Chef Paul Prudhomme's seasonings. The zucchini spaghetti sauteed down in the pan with the drippings from the shrimp. And then making a lemon butter sauce in the pan after the zucchinis come out. This is good stuff. Yummy.